Hi everyone, this video is about how to draw and understand a skull. It will be very difficult to draw a realistic portrait if you don't understand the construction of a skull. A human skull is similar to an egg shape. The skull is divided by a vertical line which creates two symmetrical parts of a skull, the left and the right. Let's start. First, we need to know basic proportions. Frontal side of a skull has proportions as 2 to 3, and from the side it's about 1 to 1. They say a skull is divided into two parts, brain part and face part. The side parts of a skull join face parts by dividing lines going through constructive points, which are protrusions and depressions of the skull. They go through temporal line, frontal process of zygomatic bone, zygomatic process to zygomatic point, and go down to the paired protrusions of the bones of lower jaw. Now we draw dividing lines. Do not forget the lines are at an angle, like the entire surface of the skull. Vertically, frontal side of a skull consists of 3 equal parts. The lower one is from a chin to a pear-shaped piriform opening. The middle part is from piriform opening to broad ridge. In the lower section, we draw the division of the jaws. It's located approximately at 1/3 of the height. Actually, the jaws are prism-shaped. The width of the chin is approximately equal to the width of the piriform opening. In the middle section, we draw the piriform opening and borders of the eye sockets. The outer borders of eye sockets go through dividing lines of skull side parts. In the top section, we draw frontal tubercles and separate the forehead. Facial part is convex. We can see it if we look at the skull from a side. In the area of brow ridge, the brow humps are the most prominent. There is a glabella between them. The width of the glabella is approximately equal to the width of the piriform opening. The shape of the eye sockets are similar to a shape of tilted and turned rectangles, as they lie on convex surface, which repeats the line of brow ridge.